Nothing is waste in a closed-loop system.
Nothing is forgotten in a living almanac. Everything the earth has ever grown is still here, waiting to be reaped.
The output of this field is the input of the next. The waste of the cow becomes the wealth of the crop. The residue feeds the worm feeds the soil. Nutrient cycling, oldest counter system ever built. Carbon in, carbon stored or traded with the fungi. Silvopasture cattle on the trees above the cattle. The shade drops temperature, the root feeds the grove. Mob graze and move the herd before the grass forgets to grow. Making a wildebeest, the bison, ancient ungulate migration. Rest the paddock 90 days, let the myrozyme rebuild itself. 1 cow per acre, but never the same acre twice. Biogas the death of the cow's methane now lights the farmhouse. The slurry that exits, liquid gold for the field. What's disease returns as medicine, humus is the word. Alley cropping, nitrogen fixing shrubs between the food crop rows. Keyline plowing, cut the land, the conjure slowly drop of rain. Perennial grains, kerns of wheat regrows without replenished. Roots with 3 meters down, holding the topsoil like a century to form. The Almanac is not a book, it is a living system. It updates with every season, every failure, every seed
The
saved.
farmer is the author, the field is the co-author, and the soil microbiome is the addetural aboard. Aquaponics, fish below, vegetable in misted air. No soil needed at all.
97% less water than conventional. The mist knows exactly what the root wants. Ponics, ultrasonic mist at 1 to 50 microns. Fine on aeroponics, the root absorbs a boundary. Multi-trophic aculovage. I'm TA, the sea farm that wastes nothing. Salmon above mussels at mid-depth filtering. Seaweed below harvesting what the mussels miss.
Biofloc technologisms, EM1.
Teruo, Higa's discovery in 1982. Lactic acid bacteria, yeast for tropic bacteria. 3 kingdoms in 1 bottle.
Every output feeds an input, the loop never closes wrong. Every season writes a chapter, water demand by 30%. The crop cools, the panel increased, your every way compliant to sow. The Almanac is living, it has only just begun.
Agrivoltaics, solar panels above, crops below, yield and provide shade the 14 days before the eye can see it. Indie dicks, norma difference, vegetation stressed and warmer, lighter scan the camera structure, every leaf counted from the sky. Digital twin of the farmer simulation that runs 6 months ahead. Test the dry on the model before the drought, reach an era field. Rhizotron glass underground to watch the root system live. We map the moon before we map what lives beneath our feet. Electroculture growing with electric fields, direct duration, germination 40%, no chemical, just organic. Push, pull, technology, desmodium repulse the stem the mice. Napier grass the border pulls the moth away, no pesticides.
Semicolon, the insect's own language weaponized for peace.
Phytoremediation, always pulling heavy metals from contaminated soil. Quantinology, this quantifex to energy. We have it, the solar panel does relief in 12 picoxicins. Phytoacoustics, plants, brontic cell. Dispatcher mean the field has deferred frequency. Plant bioelectrical kinetics, sigillin. Action, potenos in the flosterone rhizobium.
Wet that fixes its own on nitrogen.
When the hyperspectral process optional.
Epigenetic seed memory.
Program the seed express without editing the gene.
Tell the seed about the drought before you plant it. It will remember its all 3 questions. Lunar eloquence, no infatuator. Now a vaccine in America.
Lunar gold and atricone. Does the mango blossom mix with earth wine? When that agrees with the terror depth. And the white fruit pine in an older Niagara.
Nothing is waste in a closed-loop system. Food from Aerodite, now a factory in Helsinki.